Welcome to another video. It's a rather cold January day. Today we're going to be doing a irrigation repair. Got a frozen line here. What looks like happened is it was either improperly winterized or the water was inadvertently turned back on, and this has frozen and cracked right there, so that's what we've got to replace. So what we're going to do is cut the pipe right there, replace this with a new fitting and a new elbow, and then we'll take a look at some stuff we're going to do on the inside as well. Okay, now that we're inside, this is where our tap is, and this is our water line right here. This is our other issue. This is the backflow, which is right above a door. So we're going to put that backflow down somewhere, probably right in here is where we're going to stick that backflow. And if you remember, that goes up out of the house and back around over there. Okay, backflow was up there above this door. Now we have moved it down to here in a much more manageable location. We have also installed a shutoff valve. So that is how we do a backflow installation, or in this case, a repair with a move of a backflow.